Welcome back to my channel. Now we are doing 7th class data handling. In that data handling, earlier I have done certain problems. Now about percentages and all we have done. Now we are going to talk about bar graph. In this bar graph it is done in the graph. So this is the graph paper. There is an example 10. Let us see what does it says. The bar graph shows one day sales of various items in a shop. These are all the items sold on the in a shop. So see, these are all bars that they have taken. What are the various items? Wheat, rice, jawar, red gram, sugar, onions. These are sold. Okay. So how many kgs they are shown? Here they have given wheat 15 kgs, rice 25 kgs, jawar 10 kgs, red gram 5 kgs, sugar also 5 kgs. It is little bit more than 5 kgs, 5.1 or so. And onions, it is less than 5 kgs. Okay. Now the question is, we are going to talk about the first question. What are taken on x-axis? What are taken on x-axis and y-axis? What are taken, children, on x-axis? You have got the items sold, and on y-axis you have got the weight of the items sold. Okay, this is the first bit. And second bit, what is the scale selected on y-axis? What is the scale selected here? Each centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. Each centimeter is taken as 5 kgs. That is the scale selected. Third one, which of these provisions has most sale? How much? So out of these bars, what is the longest bar? Is this. So this has got most sale. What is it? It is rice. How much it is? 25 kgs. And fourth question is the sale of onions more than red gram. See, this is red gram and this is onion. See, it is little bit lesser than that of red gram. So it is not more. And fifth one, what is the ratio between the sale of jawar and sale of red gram? Jawar is 10. See, it is 10. Red gram is 5. 10 is to 5. That is 2 is to 1 ratio. So these are the questions, children. I have written the answers here. You please go through the answers that I have written here. You can copy it, children. See, for what are taken on x-axis and y-axis. So these are the answers that I have written in the example 10. So what are they? Let us see. First one, example 10. First one, x-axis contains items sold and y-axis contains weight of the items in kg. And second question, what is the scale on y-axis? Scale on y-axis is 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kgs. And which has got most sale? Rice has most sale of 25 kgs. Is onion more? No, it is not more. Now the next fifth bit, jawar is to red gram ratio 10 is to 5. That is 2 is to 1. I hope I am clear, children. This is about 10th sum. Example 11. Observe another bar graph. This is another bar graph. What information does the graph gives us? See, on x-axis you have temperature, that is, here they have given boiling points, and here the chemicals they have given. So what information does it gives? It gives about boiling information about boiling points of certain liquids, certain chemicals, we can say about that. They are giving the information. What are taken on x-axis and y-axis? On y-axis you have got chemicals, on x-axis you have got boiling points. Then which of these liquids has highest boiling point? So the largest one, this is mercury. Mercury has highest boiling point. Which of these liquids has the lowest boiling point? See, this is ether. What is the approximate ratio between boiling points of mercury and boiling point of ether? So mercury is taken as, see, this is every 1 centimeter is taken as 50. 50 means this can be taken as approximately 370 and this can be taken as approximately 40. 370 is to 40 is 37.4. So this is the solution. These are all the solution of this bar graph, children. I hope I am clear. This one is called horizontal graph. The earlier one which we have run here, this is vertical graph and this is horizontal graph. So the answers of this 11th one is given here. You see, children, bar graph, what information is given? Bar graphs gives information about the boiling points of certain chemicals, and y-axis contains chemicals and x-axis contains boiling points. Mercury has the highest boiling point, ether has the lowest boiling point, and the ratio mercury is to ether is approximately 370 is to 40, that is 37 is to 4. This is about this answer, children. Please take it into consideration. I hope I am clear to you, children. Next, we will have the next part, double bar graph. What is this double bar graph? Double bar graph means here you can see two bar graphs. This is white, this is green. Two bar graphs. What is this? Example 12 states, study of the following graph represents the total enrollment of boys and girls in ZPP, Jilla Prasa Parishad High School, and answer the following questions. So see this. What is that? Here on y-axis you have got enrollments, on x-axis you have got years, as well as white color indicates boys and green color indicates girls. How many they got enrolled? So let us see the questions that they have asked. In which year is the enrollment of girls more than boys? So let us see here. See, green is girl, boys is white. Now in which year, the question is, in which year enrollment of girls more than boys? So where green is more, little bit more here. So in which year it is? It is nothing but 2006, 2007. And the second bit is, in which year is the enrollment of boys and girls same? Same means you should have the same level. Same level is here 2007 to 2008. They are same. In which year the enrollment of girls minimum, very less. Minimum enrollment is here. These three are same, but they are minimum here. That is 2008, 9, 10 and 10, 11. In all these 3 years, the enrollment of girls is very less. Next question. What is the total enrollment in the year 2007, 2008? Total enrollment 2007-8 is this. Both of them are same. That is 120. This is, see children, each one. This is 20 means 1 unit carries 10. 10. This is 120 means this is 130. Means from here to here 5 units are taken as 10 units. So here how much you have got? Nearing to 140 you have got. Very near to 140. Approximately you can consider it as 140. For both. Okay, this is about the answers for this questions, children. So in which year the enrollment? This is example 12, example 12 asks you about, let me write, example 12, first question, in which year enrollment of girls more? In which year you are finding more? In 2006 to 7. And second one, 2000 girls more means 2007 to 2008. 2007 to 2008 girls enrollment is. Now 12th one, study the following graph representing total enrollment of boys and girls in ZPP High School and answer the following questions. So these are enrollment in Zilla Praja Parishad High School. So here you are having 0, 20, 40. This is the number of students enrolled, and here years. And here white one is indicating the boys and green one is indicating girls. Two together they are giving, so it is a double graph. Okay. Now let us see the questions that they have asked. In which year the enrollment of girls more than boys? Enrollment of girls more than boys. Green color more is here, children. 2006 and 2007. It is more. And the next question, in which year the enrollment of boys and girls same? Boys and girls same is this year 2007 and 2008. And the third one, in which year enrollment of girls is minimum? Girls is minimum in the sense they are not asking you to compare with the boys and say. If they ask you compare with the boys, it is minimum, you can consider here. But in general, they are asking minimum girls means 1, 2, 3. These 3 years you can write 8, 9, 9, 10 and 10, 11. Next question. What is the total enrollment of the year 2007 and 8? See children, here total enrollment is 2007 and 8 means here it should be considered as 138. Why? Because it is 20. The difference is 20 means each one should be considered as 2 units. 122, 124, 126. Like that if you take. So the explanation I have done it here. I think it will give you a clear understanding. This is 120, 122, then 124, 126, 128, 130, 132, 134, 136, 138. Because the next one is 140. So here it is 138. Boys 138, girls 138. Total together you are having their number as 276. So the same answers I have written here, children. Example 12 answers. Please note it down. These are the answers. I hope my explanation is clear to you. This is about the answers given for the 12th one. Next. Now, the following are the marks in maths and science of 5 students. They have given 5 students in class 7. Present this data in a double bar graph. See, Sarvan maths 70, science 75. Raman 35, 30. Mani 65, 75. Renuka 90, 100. Girija 22, 35. Sharmila 50, 50. So this is already done it here, children. So the same thing I am taking here. You see, my white one is marks in maths and the green one is marks in science. So Sarvan has got 70 and this is 75. In science 75, maths 70, and Raman has got in maths 35 and in science it is 30. Mani has got in maths 65 and in science it is 70, and This is Renuka got in maths 90 and in science it is 100. And Girija has got in maths how much it is? 20, and 20 10 means it is 20 and the distance is 10 means 21 22 I can say in maths, and in science it is 35. And Sharmila has got 50 marks in science and 50 marks in maths. So whatever the values that they have given here, this as it is, it is represented here, children. Please go through it and represent it in this way in your graph paper. Next, about pie charts, I'll do it.